Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and today we are going to talk about the Robot Heavy Club Shield Cast. The Robot Shield Cast is a breakdown exercise of the shield cast. When I teach heavy clubs, I tend to teach pullovers, backswings, and shield casts first as a complete idea. I tend to teach robot breakdowns later if people cannot accomplish it with the first three learning techniques. The Robot Shield Cast is really just a 4-point breakdown of all the movements in a normal shield cast. Step up to the club, thumbs point towards the sky, thumbs stack on top of each other, tip down, pick up your club. Top hand is in front of the same side shoulder. Arm is a 90-degree angle. If the hand is too high, people tend to not effectively use the top part of their hand, thus negating their thumb, thus negating the thing that makes their grip strong. Get the arm at 90 degrees, put the elbow all the way on the body, bottom hand supports. The Robot Shield Cast breaks down the shield cast into 4 robotic positions. Top hand moves to opposite shoulder, behind the head, thumb touches the shirt, go to the same side shoulder, pull over. Cross body, opposite ear, same side shoulder, pull over. Cross body, behind the head, change shoulders, pull over. Cross body, behind the head, change shoulders, pull over. Cross body, behind the head, change shoulders, pull over. You need to do an equal number of reps with each hand on top because we're training the mobility of the shoulders with these 4 different static positions. Try to make each position clear and distinct. Cross body, ear, change, ear. Opposite ear, back, same side ear, forward. Cross, change, change, pull. Cross, change, change, pull, cross. Change, change, pull. View from the back, change to the opposite side. Now I am going past the opposite ear, change to the other shoulder, that is now the same side ear, pull all the way over. Cross, behind the back, change shoulders, pull all the way over. We will often use this exercise as a learning technique. I like to try to get people to go directly to the shield cast from the pullover and the backswing because that is the target goal. If you put too many breakdowns in there, people don't get the idea of where they're supposed to go. This is not a high rep exercise. This is maybe a few sets of 5 reps on each side at the beginning, middle, and end of a workout if people are not able to figure out how to do the shield cast. Athletes use a light weight, so light they can't hurt themselves, to practice the shield cast. Then you do a set of robot shield casts to help them get to each end position. Then you go back to the shield cast, then you go back to the robot shield cast. The normal shield cast with continuous movement is a high rep exercise. It's not uncommon for people to start at sets of 3 to 5, but people can easily get to sets of 50 or 100 without changing hands. The robot shield cast is always a low rep exercise because it's really just there to train the positions and to help people get better range of movement in their shoulders.